want to check the frequency of a beacon, or conversely check the frequency accuracy of your transceiver against a beacon, here's an easy way to do it. Tune in the beacon. In this case it's the VK2RSY beacon on 144.42 megahertz. I've selected CW mode, and you'll see that I have the CW pitch set to 800 hertz. Now, listening to that, we use the software Spectran, which is freely available, and we simply look for the 800 hertz. And there's the 800 hertz, and in this case it's about 24 hertz low. The two lines on the display there at the moment, one is the direct signal, the other is actually an aircraft reflection. So there we go. And that is an easy way to check the frequency of your transceiver against a beacon, or a beacon against your transceiver. There you go.